For this recipe, you need a thumb-size ginger, you need 1 scotch bonnet pepper, you need 2 garlic cloves, and you need just 1 medium-sized onion. For this recipe, you also need 1 cup of flour, which is plain flour, and you need 3 overripe plantain. So for this recipe, it's just 3. You also need palm oil, and as you know, I always use the Ghanaian zomi palm oil. I am also going to be using all spices and half of this Maggi cube because it's a big one, but if you are using the small one, you do not need to divide it in half. You also need some salt to taste, some peanut butter, and of course roasted peanut. Now peel the plantains and add them to your blender. Next, add in the remaining ingredients, and maybe if you have noticed, it's the same recipe as the plantain pancakes. Now blend everything until it is very smooth. Next, pour it into a container, and we are about to add our flour. So I am adding 1 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour, but you could also use roasted corn flour if you prefer, just like the plantain pancakes. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of allspice and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then mix it until it is well combined. I am now going to pour some zomi palm oil into my cup. So this is 1 full cup, but it doesn't mean I'm going to use the whole cup of palm oil. Okay, it's just to make it a bit easier. So now add about 1 tablespoon of palm oil and mix it very well. Next, add in a 2nd tablespoon of palm oil and again mix it very well. And now last but not least, we're going to add the 3rd tablespoon of zomi palm oil and mix it. So now take your baking tin just like this and add in about 1 teaspoon of zomi palm oil. And next, if you have a kitchen brush just like mine, you can start brushing the palm oil in the baking tin without forgetting the sides. So why are we doing this? It will make it easier to remove our plantain cake from the tin. And this is how it should be looking like. Next, pour in your plantain cake mixture and do not forget to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So this is how it looks like now, and I am going to put it in the middle rack of my oven and bake it for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes until it becomes well baked. So if you're not sure, you can just stick in a knife in, and if it comes out clean, it means that your cake is ready. So here comes the creative part. I am now going to add in a layer of peanut butter. And why am I doing that? Because I want the ultimate flavor. So add a layer of peanut butter, and this is the Ghanaian one, by the way. And last but not least, decorate your plantain cake with some roasted peanuts and add as many as you like. And now I am going to cut my plantain cake into 2 for you so that you can see how it looks like on the inside. Okay, so here it is. This is the inside of my Ghanaian spiced plantain cake that we call Ofam. It is very popular in Ghana. So this is it. Okay, my dear friends, I have showed you how to prepare the best tasting spiced plantain cake, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please try it at home, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to leave me a comment down below, and I will reply to all your messages. Also follow me on Instagram, share my videos, comment, like, and I'll see you next time for another recipe. Bye.